Expert says time is not on SESC side in Ripple lawsuit. Up until this point, the SEC was believed to be the one dragging its feet in the lengthy court battle. The SEC asked the court for more time at the outset of the case by filing multiple motions. Nevertheless, according to Mobarak, Ripple is currently the one employing strategies to drag out the case into election season. As for the remedy scheduling order, the court has already issued it. The order states that on April 29th, 2024, the SEC will submit the final motion for the remedies phase. The court is expected to announce its decision in early summer, according to pro-XRP lawyer. A significant development has occurred in the ongoing legal battle between the SEC and the US-based blockchain payments business Ripple. This already complex matter took on an additional level of complexity on Thursday when the regulator lodged the move. The court has requested that Ripple provide financial records for 2022 and 2023, as well as the contracts governing institutional sales that were entered into after the complaint was filed. The state of California moved to force Ripple to provide these records, and the cryptocurrency it created in the beginning is not a security. Nevertheless, certain contracts involving the selling of Ripple are deemed to be securities. The legal dispute was sparked by this decision. Both parties have agreed to a shared briefing schedule for remedies following this order, with the completion of discovery relating to remedies having a date of February 12, 2024. However, the most recent SEC motion seeks to force Ripple to provide the total amount of institutional sales income from XRP that were generated after the complaint was filed for contracts that were entered into prior to the complaint being filed. According to the SEC, Ripple is promoting XRP as unregistered securities. The SEC has charged Ripple with repeatedly selling XRP as unregistered securities while raking in billions of dollars in profits. Ripple has responded by saying it will keep selling XRP to institutions that use on-demand liquidity for transactions. Based on the company's assertions, future sales can be structured in a way that complies with federal securities laws. In its response to the SEC's demands, Ripple requested an extension of time, asking for an additional 2 days until January 19th to formulate its response. It appears as though the 3-year legal issue is nothing near being resolved due to the unexpected postponement. In preparation for what is sure to be more courtroom drama in the near future, both parties are currently taking precautions. The Securities and Exchange Commission is also subsequent to the extension. Rush charges of securities fraud and breach of law against Chris Larsen, who is the co-founder of Ripple, and Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO, in October of the prior year. Garlinghouse has publicly opposed the Securities and Exchange Commission multiple times throughout his career. He first leveled the complaint in November of last year, saying that the agency had abandoned its principal mission of protecting investors. The excitement among exchange-traded funds is driving Ripple's XRP price higher as it faces second challenge. Legislation pertaining to speculation is expected to gain traction as the Ethereum and Ripple communities eagerly await the adoption of spot ETFs. Showcasing tenacity in the face of regulatory concerns, XRP holds support at 5,784 in spite of regulatory hurdles presented by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple XRP is experiencing a revival and is targeting the 700-cent milestone. A rebound bounce riding on the goodwill around the green light of spot Bitcoin ETFs is responsible for the latest surge in the cryptocurrency's value. According to defense attorney James Cusk, Fionlin's latest post on X following the filing of the initial lawsuit in December 2020, the SEC sought Ripple's financial records for 2022 and 23 in details regarding contracts related to institutional sales. The SEC is requesting information regarding the money that has been made from sales to institutions since the complaint was filed, with a specific emphasis on contracts that were in place before the complaint was filed. For Judge Torres to evaluate and decide on appropriate injunctions and civil remedies for Ripple. This data is vital. This action followed a summary judgment that largely benefited Ripple handed out by Judge Annalisa Torres in the Southern District of New York. The selling of Ripple's XRP token by institutions was deemed an unregistered securities offering according to Judge Torres, but the sale through cryptocurrency exchanges programmatically was not. Get ready for a financial revolution since XRP is skyrocketing in value. However, this isn't merely exaggerated rhetoric. It all started with a major breakthrough. Using its extensive knowledge in the field banking behemoth, BlackRock is about to launch an exchange-traded fund called TEF. They have an impressive record of approval for nearly all of their ETF proposals. Many believe that BlackRock's investment in XRP will alter the course of events. But BlackRock isn't the only one. The market is also seeing the entry of Grayscale. They have added XRP to their cryptocurrency portfolio and are also offering an XRP. The rising profile of XRPs and Ripple Labs in the realm of international transactions is evident from this. A paradigm shift in the conventional financial industry's perspective on digital currencies has been ushered in by BlackRock, the undisputed leader in asset management into the cryptocurrency and Web 3.0 arenas. The 99.8% approval rate that BlackRock's ETFs have achieved makes them a volatile force in the ETF industry. It is a testament to their unparalleled knowledge of the financial world that they have an almost perfect track record for ETF approval. It is critical to keep the broader view in mind in this case. Not only have major financial institutions like JP Morgan and BlackRock been keeping an eye on XRP, but they have also been actively buying it. Some estimates put the value of these giants' XRP holdings at almost 7.5 of their overall worth based on information sourced from leaked documents. A well-researched piece that came out not long ago even went so far as to say that BlackRock might be shifting its whole investing strategy from Bitcoin to XRP. The notion of a BlackRock bet XRP is becoming more plausible by the day, as this move indicates that XRP is gaining more and more interest. However, a new twist in the XRP story has started, which makes this move much the more interesting. Although its maker remains a mystery, it represents a significant milestone on the road to developing an ETF. Despite the XRP's introduction, reports suggest that it has no value at the moment since it is in the pre-release stage. It is anticipated that it will be revealed soon. Coincident with the launching of the ETF, there are additional rumors suggesting the creation of an XRPF at the same time. This simultaneous publication is not only rational, but it also shows how far along the road to the ETF we are, with the debut of the Bitcoin ETF likely happening just a few weeks later. In light of the fact that Bitcoin's price increased to $43,000 before to the ETF's launch, the potential for XRP is tremendous. What we're talking about is an XRP price explosion that might happen in the next few weeks, clearing the path for an exchange-traded product debut. Few people know that financial behemoth the Dell officially launched the XRP exchange-traded product. What this indicates is that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is expected to approve an ETF soon. In fact, we just covered an article that claimed a leaked research from BlackRock hinted at the imminent possibility of an exchange-traded fund for stocks. Thanks to this vulnerability, an upcoming XRP application was exposed. The debut of a BlackRock he had developed specifically for XRP was publicly confirmed by a notable BlackRock expert, adding to the frenzy. That's all for now.